And just like I'm so blessed to have really smart, committed women who are like driven to tell stories that actually make an impact. It's a good time for us to, it's not easy, like you said, but it's a really great time to keep trying to push the needle forward. There is a balance.
We applied for a grant to Berlin in 2022. We had to make a pledge, basically get better, build money, do something socially forward in your own industry. So we set up a free lighting training camp for women. We used to learn how to light, like storytelling through lighting, and we call it Undergarden. And because there were no light women in the industry, now there are about 3 or 4 who graduated from this and continue to lighting work, and we're going to have the second season of this Undergarden lighting training workshop in October this year. So this is like this for us. It is important to not discuss it like this, structure it into the system in some way, so that while we do the other work, it becomes a self-sustaining dominant. We can go ahead with it.